Hi, I've been asked to do an updated video on how the AutoGlide SE works with it fully upholstered. This is a AutoGlide SE with custom 4-inch high-grade vinyl. Super simple, Volkswagen lever, just lift it up, pull it forward. You obviously, when it's in the van, you'll be kneeling on this pulley. Then all you do is lean against this part here, lock it into a bed. You can put the seatbelt receivers down so they're out of the way, and fold the seatbelts out of the way so they're out of the way as well. So you've got a completely flat surface. And quite simply, once you've done it and you've used your bed, you want to put it back up into a seat. A small button which is fitted into your battery system on the van, and you literally just touch the button and the bed goes halfway up, so there's no trapping points. Children aren't going to hurt, animals aren't going to get trapped, and you literally put your hand at the front and just, that's it. Simple as that. You can also recline it in 5 different positions. Will be in the furthest position, which gives you a little bit more head height. This bed is actually lower than any other bed in the market anyway. It's actually the same height as a standard California bed, and it also comes with lifetime warranty. Thank you.